Hey everybody, this is Hope Brown from Brown Business Solutions and the Tax Minded Bookkeeper. I know we have a lot of followers, a lot of new followers. So let me take a moment to tell you guys a little bit about what we do. We help entrepreneurs have organized financial data, all right, so that they can make actionable decisions in their business. This could mean we're helping them with bookkeeping. We're helping them just be able to analyze that data during a year to make financial decisions with. And definitely we're making sure that you have what you need for tax preparation or actually helping you be compliant in that area. All right. So a little bit about what we're doing. So I just want to be the first to say, thank goodness we made it past April 15th. If I seem a little bit more up, today, energized, that is it. All right. It is April 25th. So we're 10 days after the tax season. Whew, you guys have no idea. So I want to go on record to formally apologize if on the personal side of my life, you sent me a text since January 2nd and I haven't responded to it, voicemails, emails to my personal account, just knocked on my door. I'm sorry. I've been working for the last couple of months. So that is just how it goes during the tax season. But nevertheless, we are still working in the background to make sure that we are taking care of our clients and helping you guys just plan for your financial future, right? So in that breath, I'm super excited to tell you about a ongoing partnership that I have with FSC First. Shout out to FSC First. They are definitely doing their part with being able to help businesses scale up with their financing programs and things like that. So if you're growing your business, you're scaling your business, definitely reach out to FSC First to find out more about their loans, just lines of credits, just different things that they can offer you as a small business growing. All right. But next week, we're going to be continuing our Spring Capital Matters session with them. And we're going to be talking about everybody's least favorite topic, and that is audits. All right. And I know I just lost half of the viewers. Everybody was just pull the plug, tuned out. I get it. Nobody likes audits. But during this session, we're going to be talking about things to help you be more proactive versus reactive. All right. That's the key with audits, and to make sure that you guys learn things you can be doing now so that later on, hopefully we can reduce those kind of experiences for you. So anyway, when I am working with groups to put together these kind of sessions, guys, I'm not playing. I'm bringing you guys the real professionals who are experts in those areas. All right. And as such, y'all, all right, I was able to get on LuSundra Everrett's EA on her schedule to bring her in. She's with Everett Tax Solutions. That's her company. Miss Everett is just phenomenal when it comes to just being a walking encyclopedia of tax law. That's how I like to think about her. She's all that and more. But the EA designation that is behind her name is related to an enroll agent, all right? And just a quick lesson for you guys. For those of you who don't know what an enroll agent is, it's one of the highest designations that a non-CPA and or tax lawyer, those type of, certifications, those type of positions, it's something that you voluntarily go in as a tax professional. You take these excruciating, painful tests in these different areas, business tax law, individual ethics, and you pass those babies and you become an EA. But I'm making it sound a lot easier than it is. Definitely when you're talking about audits and those kind of things, you want to have someone on your side, your team, who's at that level to be able to navigate those waters for you for sure. So Miss Everett is going to be here next week. I'm going to invite you to sign up. It is a free session, say free session, all right, that FSC First is sponsoring and bringing to you guys. I will put the login information to register. It will be here, or here. I'll get it to you guys, but definitely sign up. It will be a very proactive, 60 minutes that you will spend learning what you have to be doing or you should be doing to hopefully either avoid an audit or, I can't even say avoid an audit, guys, because to be honest with you, you could be doing 150% accurate on that return. But if it's your time and the algorithm picks your particular return to send out a letter to, ask more questions about, we just want to have you in a stance that is ready for that, or audit ready. That's a more fair term. All right. So join us on the 29th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And would love to see you guys in the house. And this is Hope signing off. And happy after tax season. For the people who that resonated, with, you know who you are, my people. All right. Peace. This is Hope. I'm out.